It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm at the Gold Coast Casino in Las Vegas for the dinner buffet. Well, the Gold Coast buffet is a favorite of locals, retirees, and anybody looking for some cheap eats. Now the dinner buffet is just $16.99. It's one of the cheapest buffets in Las Vegas. I'm gonna start with some pizza. This looks good to me. And some meatballs. I think that's what this, oh maybe, I don't know, sausage? I don't know what, oh, steak pizziola. All right, it's steak. They've got taco meat, refried beans, cheese enchiladas, and some chicken fajitas. Oh, they got carved meat. Maybe I should get a little bit of the prime rib or the turkey. Maybe the turkey. Ooh, look at that prime rib. I think I just changed my mind. I'm gonna get that. Can I get some off that new piece? Can I get the new piece? The fresh one?
It's all new, it's the same thing.
Thank you. Well, I couldn't get a piece of the new prime rib, the one fresh out of the oven, but he assured me this one was also new. I'm pretty sure the one I saw brand new was newer. Either way, I've got myself some food to eat, so let's see how it all tastes. All right, now the pizza looks good. The Italian steak looks good. Let's see how the prime rib is. It seems fresh, I guess, right? Not the tenderest meat in the world, but I mean, you're not paying that much for it. All right, how about this pizza? Okay. I know, maybe I'll have the Mongolian Stir Fry. This is where they'll make something for you where you choose all your vegetables and select the sauce. Garlic. All right, I don't know if this is gonna look good or not, but let's see. All right, can I get the Szechuan sauce with chicken? Thank you. I think I got that the last time I was here, and it was actually the best thing I ate here. Looks like I see my stir fry cooking back there. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm also excited about the other Asian food. There's actually some over here. There's like some orange chicken and fried rice, beef and mushroom, some chow mein, and some hot stickers with sweet and sour sauce. Cook to order. I think this is the way to go here at the Gold Coast buffet, where you've got fresh vegetables, fresh meat, and fresh cooking. Okay, I think I see it. Just plating it up. Thank you. Oh yeah, it looks all right. But you know what would make this look better? Some orange chicken. There we go. Let's try the stir fry. It's good. Chicken is good. It's hot, and it's got all the vegetables I like because I put them in there. I need some wet naps, but I don't have any. is a big hunk of rib. It almost pierced my face. Tasty, but dangerous. Now they do have a salad bar here if you're looking for something on the healthier end of the spectrum, like fruit. They have some pretty good looking watermelon and other melons. And around here they do have a real salad bar with all the add your own toppings. This is, oh, there is seafood down here. They've got some shrimp, some sushi. I'll let you be the judge of that. Steamed mussels, tilapia française, baked tuna, and look at this. These look like these little crawfish that are impossible to eat, but I'm going to give it a try. That's a real piece of seafood right here. All right, let's open it up. Ooh, I don't like that. I'm sure this tastes amazing. It doesn't smell that good, but then I'm not a big seafood lover. Oh. Ooh. All right, that wasn't as hard as I thought. Get rid of that. Now that's a pretty decent little chunk of meat. I mean, I don't know what to do with the rest of this, but I guess I'll eat this. Doesn't really taste like anything to me. I'm gonna get something from over here in the dessert station. They've got bread pudding, one of my favorite desserts, on buffets. In fact, I'm just gonna get some. Normally I use a bigger plate, but I can't wait. I've gotta have something good, and this does look good. It's like they have these little pseudo creme brulees, or maybe flan, I don't know. Cream puffs, sure, why not? Looks kind of good. Gotta start with the bread pudding. Actually, dripping the ice cream on it usually makes it taste better. Not the best bread pudding I've ever had. Tastes kind of like Thanksgiving stuffing. Okay, let's try the ice cream. Oh, that's good. And not sure. It's definitely not a creme brulee. There's nothing brulee about it. And I've got my ice cream and now the strawberry whipped cream all together. So if this doesn't taste good, it's my fault. That actually tastes pretty good. This I can eat. Now the Gold Coast buffet may not be the best buffet in Las Vegas. In fact, it's definitely not the best buffet in Las Vegas. But it probably is the cheapest. And if you're hungry and ready to eat, like really hungry, well, you can't beat the price. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Gold Coast buffet. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.